Hey y'all, it's Monique with Texas Gal Studio. I have a 1-up unboxing or haul for y'all, so let's get this open. I needed some, I want to say it was protein that I needed, so I went and purchased some, but there's this new product I've been wanting to try out, and I thought I'd grab it. And they finally restocked the chocolate one, so I'm excited for that. So these are 1-up muffins, and it's chocolate, and let's open it so you can see what this looks like. Okay, so this is the way they come in packaged. Okay, that looks super yummy, so I'm gonna have to try that out probably after breakfast. I haven't had breakfast yet. I'm gonna have breakfast and a little bit of coffee, and then I'll have maybe that muffin. So that looks super yummy. Let me bring this table this way. So those are 12 muffins, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I think so. So the next thing I got that I really love is this 1-up whey coconut ice cream. And that's my protein. And my husband finds it super sweet, but I don't. I love this. All I do is I put some almond milk, which is the unsweetened almond milk, and I've showed y'all before, but I'll put a video up of me making one after this little haul, just so you can have an idea. But I put a bag of fruit, and it's just a small little bag, and usually I put strawberries, bananas, and grapes. That's what's in that fruit bag. My protein, 1 scoop, and the almond milk. Usually the almond milk I go 1.5 cups. And then I also, oh, this is also what I needed. I needed the Kickstart, which is, let me tell you what's in it. It's organic ginger, organic lemon, organic turmeric, organic cayenne pepper, and this is the wellness shot. I love this. I know I've showed, I think, a video about this, but again, I'll post a video right after that, so I could, after this, so I can show you how I prepare this. Usually it's, I just ice it down, iced water, take this and chug it. You don't have to chug it. I like the original flavor, but they do have flavored ones. And then this one I just want to restock, only because every time I finish mine, sometimes watermelon candy is out of stock, so I don't want to be without my pre-workout. And this isn't the stim free, but they do have a stim free, which a lot of people enjoy that one. I like a little stim in mine. So that's a watermelon candy. Then let me show you all the freebies, because they go above and beyond to do freebies, and that's why I really enjoy purchasing from them. So, and they let you choose as well. So I got 1, 2, 3 of these, 4 of these wellness shots, and I use these when I travel. They're perfect. They come in handy. I don't have to take the big tub of this. I just take some of these depending on the days I'm traveling. And then I also got some greens. I wanted to try the watermelon because I have the fruit. I think it's a mixed fruit one, and I really love that flavor. I iced that one down too. I don't think I've done a video on that one before. Oh yes, I have. So I'll post that one up after this. But this one's watermelon flavor, so I'm excited to try this. And another wellness shot. So I got 5 now of those. And then they share like some codes. I'll also put my code down below if you want to use it. You and I both get 20% off the next time. And then of course they just send a thank you note, which is always super sweet. Another thank you. And my receipt. Let me see what else is in here. Another wellness shot. So I got 6 in total. And then candy watermelon, just so I can have with me as well. So that is my haul. Very great just to keep restocked here. I wanted to try again. Oh, and you know what they have? They have this thing called, I know it's a brownie and a cookie called a cookie, I think. So I want to try that next after I try these muffins to see how they taste. I usually stick to chocolate because I've tried other flavors. I've done a 1-up, I think the lemon one, and it's not my favorite as far as like protein bars and stuff. So I'm going to stick to chocolate because I know that's my craving. That's what I crave for, so I'd rather go with something that has protein, and that's what I like. So, you need to get some water, need to hydrate, gotta get breakfast, and stay tuned. I'll post up some little clips here of me preparing my whey and me preparing my wellness shot and the pre-workout. Okay, y'all, be safe, stay strong. Attitude is everything. Bye. So in my smoothie, I start off with an almond unsweetened milk, and I do 1.5 cups. And then I add my fruit, which I usually get these from H-E-B. They're the starter smoothie packs, and I mean, you can make your own, right? You can do strawberries, bananas, and red grapes. That's what this one has. I enjoy this flavor. It tastes really, really good. And then, of course, I add my 1-Up whey, which is a yummy protein. This one's in coconut ice cream. Okay, let's open this bad boy up. That's the way it looks. Okay, it smells good. Tastes good. I shouldn't talk with my mouth open. It's really good. There's no strong flavor. I get dark chocolate, a brownie taste. I like it. This might be my new snack when I'm craving chocolate. Okay, y'all. Bye.